Now, this has a story time also. This song was actually a gift. Kasi they were engaged that time, and the songwriter decided to give this song as a gift to his then fiancé. And I love this song so much. This was actually a flip side. Alam niyo ba yung ibig sabihin ng flip side? Yung plaka kasi, yung mga ganyan, yung plaka, ay, hindi na pala plaka, puno na pala. Yung mga puno kasi, pagka inikot mo, puno pa rin. Alam nga naman. Ang flip side kasi, kumbaga, ito yung tutugtugin mo pa ganyan. Yung flip side is the other side. And I think the single was Another Song, and this was the second single, or this was the flip side. And I just want to honor the songwriter of this beautiful song, and say thank you at the same time for allowing me to record this song, because this is one of my big hits, twice. And, oh, you know this song. This was written by Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. Di biruang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo, para akong isang siraulong hilot nito. Sa aking pamira ng piano, tiklado'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang humuspo. Tungkol sa anumang